Dentists can move the position of teeth with a brace, and Yasmin here is having her braces fitted today, and they're a very cool fashion statement at Yasmin's school.
So the other kids actually want to have braces?
They look like kind of cool, and you can get different colours.
So you're going to have the best braces in school?
Yeah.
Making Yasmin look cool today is consultant orthodontist Vicky Elton. So what's Yasmin going to have done?
Yasmin's already got a removable brace at the top of her mouth, which is moving her bite slightly. And today we're going to put a fixed brace on her bottom teeth.
At the moment, Yasmin's teeth don't bite together correctly. The new brace will not only straighten her teeth, it'll make her teeth fit together nicely when she bites and avoid her getting jaw pain as she gets older. So, it's time to fit the new brace. First, Vicky glues the brackets onto which the wire will be attached.
You all right there, Yasmin?
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
It's not very talkative.
Right, that's all done. So next we're going to get the wires in.
And it's the wires that pull all of the teeth into place. Now Yasmin gets to personalise her brace by choosing some colours.
You're gonna have light pink and teal.
Nice choice!
So we're going to attach little elastics now.
Not only are these decorative, they are really important.
So can you see that the little elastics are holding the wire firmly into place in each bracket?
Yasmin, you chose the perfect colours. You look great.
So that's Yasmin's new brace fitted. In a few months, her teeth will be straight, and most importantly, she'll have a better bite. What does she think?
I like it.
You did very well with that colour choice.
So your second set of teeth, or adult teeth, can come through all higgledy-piggledy and need straightening out. But occasionally, doctors actually need to create space so that teeth can come through in the right position. And that means some teeth have to come out. This is Ryan, and although it looks like he's got no front teeth, he's actually got 2 sets. This is his X-ray. Ryan's lost all his milk teeth, and all his adult teeth are in place, except for the front 2. See that gap? Now look above. There are his adult front teeth. But they're being blocked from growing down by 2 more teeth.
So what are they going to do in the operation?
They're gonna take the 2 teeth out from behind, and then so the first ones can come through, and then after that they're gonna stitch the gum back up so it can heal.
So the 2 extra teeth are going to be removed. Will he put them under his pillow?
Too old for it.
No, you're too old for it. I'll tell you what, give them to me and I'll put them under my pillow. We can split the money.